So here we will have a quick look of how actually it works. So basically with the cross-company collaboration, it's a feature that we have. It's only available on our public cloud offer. And once a customer is having access to one cloud tenant, he can either invite or get invited to another cloud tenant from a different customer with no additional cost. So basically here, when you have one key, you can open 500 doors or even more, why not? So next is really a quick animation to illustrate how does it work. So on the left side, we will have the company A. They will do an initial design using their design applications. Then they will invite someone from the company C to do a structural validation. Okay, so the invitation is just a simple email that you send to someone. Then here, the structural validation will be done on company A tenant. See here we have 2 points I would like to highlight. The first one is really IP control. So I control who is having access to my data and who is capable to do what on my cloud tenant. Then we can remove the company C here, and then we can go on with additional, I would say, capabilities such as here, manufacturing preparation. All right. Next slide. Yep, perfect. So we've drafted this structure where most of the time the company here will be the OEM. They have their production environment on premise. So they are going to struggle to give access to their supplier to get the latest updates, whether it's a project milestone or it's a data. So we are proposing to have in the middle collaboration environments where all the suppliers and the OEM will be able to access. And then each company, for instance, company B here, will invite the OEM for process review, share milestones, and so on. And on the second scenario, we'll have the company C here that is invited to work in a safe environment on the collaboration environment of their OEM.
Excellent. So what is cross-company collaboration? Fundamentals. Obviously, when we are inviting customers on suppliers onto our environment, we have to ensure that the IP is protected. We are not going to give away the entire context. So here is the P&O, people and organization, where we have one collaborative space where we have the entire car, and we have various departments like wheels, body, suspension, powertrain, etc. And we can only give access to that context of that particular car to the supplier in a restricted mode. So basically you can have the entire car, but we only give access to the one that they have to be working on. So this way we are ensuring that the IP is protected, the supplier or the OEM only sees what they have to see. And this way we are ensuring that the IP is protected basically.